Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwanchumo rigereria bw'Ensoko TV ragokwanire kunanonsi ya sore asemambia bona ritwerigeria 20 nerimo asomotinyo motangani mwaka w'echilifu 2025 no muno kwera kwari puna kwabokire bya kwagenderero bya kurandonsi ya sore mambia bona asongendera tukubwatie 20 Ensoko TV kurochinsa 12 cheke mambi gwikira boniga asore asobokorari asemeremo asobore mibwago boigo asibya sara ose asesemerio bwonchoreri nandonsi ya sore mambia bona ase okwerigeria karibu sana tosange asobwame mambia bona emiyomurubiri wetorobini gochakira bono gwekachinsa isano ne muchebono mubaso asogo chikomorekera mangana aemambia ya bono ntochiko chakakura sensemo yechichiro na lyaya agenderete mambia bono nabo igo murubiri we serikali no rulioyo na badaye ntochikoligeria sensemo yechisemi nabo igo aya bwatikene na siasa aseritukeria aya bwatikene ne chigosori badaye ni chikoba nabageni ime ye studio abarali b'Ensoko TV astra chiko kwanera igoro yechinsi chorogongorwa Afrika ya mocha kweyarigania bosio bw'ekigosori kya AFCON omwaka gw'echilifu 2025 na ebere libolirire ne emambia yabono goseto kuborani kijumla ndiri na ine chinse chorogongo rwa Afrika ya mucha ine kyariganiri burunge gosebene kwarigani kigosori kiga kya AFCON 2027 ngento kikeria chinse kiga kiganiri gwikerania merobirikeria baganiri gwikerania nabo igoma chiko kyaria abekirwe erikwene kina ayonsingo cyare gwikerana nabo nto chikoligereria ase chigosori cha AFCON 2025 chiri kye ikire gweta naralia yakorekanete naralia ya abwati gocha guika omwere tugachakonyora omubwi bwege kombe ekiga tusange asobwa mugwetera senchira yo mutandao gwekerero Facebook nigere Ensoko TV na bogo YouTube Ensoko TV namba ya mawasiliano ase ujumbe enyenge na ase esimi nigere noti isano na ibere isano na isato isano na isato isano na mumara gatano beka isato na kurabwo na boko tuma ujumbe yago na begweka ninchiko yasomekera kiria tugochigo stogendera tagusanga asobwa mana boyo kwemanya mange ayagendera tugokorekana ime yorogongo rwagusi isiko yorogongo rwagusi na boigo wika isiko yechinse chinde tuchake asobwa mereterane Ishmael Mogere. Asomo chakano emambia yabono mwanchu murigereria nigo tokorigereria aria akorekanete gose kurwa se nyumba y'oburayi bwense eriko kinie birengo by'obunchorori meyenso murayi bwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto nigaerero bune serikali nigagendera takobeka emirobiryo yo kwenekia buna obwagachi bw'ekiciro cyekerero chimyenye na 50 ngukire kwagachwa ase county chonse 45 nebere ime yense yaito ya Kenya murayi bwense nigayakwanite ayayiga maga yokomerana n'abaunchorori kurwa se county ya Nairobi ase nyumba enene y'oburayi bwense asiboigo abalierete eira buna omuchando gusoboka ngwabeire ase chiro yage komba eyuwikira boni getabwati title deed na boigo ekoirira abantu gete kwere gokora obokora ase ndimiro ye chire yo bono nigo serikali kubwatarana ne serikali ye county era chikwenekia buna echire yo nkonyorere title deed we ase oburayi noboteneri bwo waziri bwendemero Alice Wahome nabo igomoriki we wizara bwendemero y'umunyekene una Nixon Koriri aya maseyemo goika ase nyombo y'oburayi bwense turarigeri na ariya agenderete kurwa sensemi yo ekerekeri umurayi bwense au meranete nabo munchoreri kurwa se county ya Nairobi.
Saa hizi wacha tushughulike na mambo ya kazi yenu. Vile niliwaeleza tutawajengea masoko inaendelea. Zikikamilika tutazitumia. Zile mmetueleza hapa turekebishe hapa na pale, tutarekebisha so that we have a working city. Tuko na barabara tumekubaliana. We are trying barabara ya kutoka airport all the way mpaka ABC tunataka kurekebisha ikae mzuri. Barabara zingine karibu kilomita 100 tunajenga hapa Nairobi in different parts. Kwa yale mambo mmeuliza ni mambo ya status ya Gikomba na matatizo yaliyopatikana kwa kukosekana ownership, proper ownership ya Gikomba. Na kwa sababu hiyo kukatokea speculators, watu ambao wanatafuta njia moja ama nyingine kuchukua vipande ya ardhi pale Gikomba. Mimi nataka niwaeleze ya kwamba that problem of Gikomba, I can assure you that Gikomba is public land. Na hatutaki kusema Gikomba is public land without documentation. Lazima tuwe na documentation ya kudhibitisha ya kwamba Gikomba ni mali ya umma. Na sababu hiyo tumekubaliana na county government ya kwamba tutatengeneza title deed. Ya, na nimemwambia Nixon hapa PS wetu wa lands, wewe waziri wako National Land Commission, within 90 days tuwe na title deed ya watu wa Gikomba.
Kuna hii mambo ya intercounty. Unakuta ukienda Kware County unalipishwa cess 5,000. Ukiingia county ingine unaambiwa lazima ulipe ingine. Kwani county zimekuwa mongeki bwana rais? Tukienda kila pahali tunachajiwa. Hawa mama mboga anaumia. Tusaidie uongee na magavana, kama ni Kware County nikilipia mzigo nisipigwe cess ingine kwa jiani nikikuja sokoni. Sisi tunatembea mpaka Mpeketoni. Rais pare bonda kitu inaitwa cess ama ile clearance ya boda. Kama mtu anabeba pineapple kutoka Uganda, bei imeongezeka zaidi. Ilikuwa 13,000, sasa iko 22,000. Mama mboga anaumia jameni. Na mimi najua rais ulisimama ukatuambia uko pale utusaidie mama mboga ndio tuweke pesa kwa mfuko. So unakuomba rais, hiyo mambo ya boda pale Siraret, pale Loitoktok, pale Busia, mama mboga tafadhali angalia warudishiwe chini kidogo tuweze kuweka pesa kwa mfuko.
Hiyo ingine rais ni kusema asanti, tuliazana na wewe kitambo. Sisi ni jezi yako ya 2 term na sio kuficha, kwa sababu hata yale tunafanya inaonekana. So sisi si wale watu kujificha ficha. Hiyo ingine tungetaka pia Kawangware tuko na shida ya maji. Shida ya maji imekuwa ikitusumbua. Ningetaka Your Excellency uangalie hiyo. Na pia empowerment kwa mama wetu wa soko. Tuko na vikundi kwa soko, zikikuwa empowered tutafurahi. Asante sana, Mungu awabariki.
Udre Jamhuri Market ina serve between 2,500 traders to 4,000 wenye wanakuja pale sokoni. Na kama tunaweza pata matatizo kadhaa yakikuwa yametatuliwa, tutashukuru sana kama traders wa pale, na tutashukuru. In future, in 2027, I expect tutakuwa tuna host pale AFCON 2027. Na ile soko najua itakuwa busy sana na itakuwa inashughulikia mambo mingi, sababu kutakuwa na wageni wengi wenye watakuwa napitia pale ile Gong Road. Tuko along Gong Road na iko karibu na ile stadium inaitwa Talanta Stadium, ambao umefanya kazi nzuri sana kuijenga. Itakuwa ni uwanja wa ajabu katika Afrika yetu.
Kitu ya kwanza ni kumheshimu rais wetu. Nimemuona leo macho kwa macho. Nasema asanti sana, na nitapita hapo anipatie mkono tu. Siku moja niambiage watu nilikuwa kuona rais. Nimekuona leo na macho. Na kuonaga ukiwa kwa gari. Nimefurahi ile sijafurahi. Tena kitu kingine inanifurahisha mimi sana. Sikuwa nafikiria siku moja nitafika State House. Sikuwa najua. Kwa heshima ya rais ametukaribisha kama watu ya Kawangware. Tumekuja State House. Hata ni wengi sana wananiuliza State House ni wapi. Lakini leo tumekanyanga mchanga yetu State House. Kwa hivyo hata nitaambia Mungu akiwa juu. Nilikuwa naomba siku moja nisije nikaigizwa kwa mchanga kama sijafika State House.
President wetu, ningekuomba tu siku moja utembee ndani ya soko la Gikomba phase 1, uone ile maendeleo imekuwa ndani ya soko ya Gikomba. Na ningeshukuru mheshimiwa wetu Bwana Yusuf, ningeshukuru mheshimiwa wetu Bwana Petit, tumekuwa tukifanya kazi nao gangare katika ndani ya soko. Soko yetu iko na maendeleo kubwa sana. Soko tulikuwa tunapitia katika maji machafu ndani ya soko. Hakukuwa na drainage system. Saa hii soko iko na drainage system. Lakini bado tunataka hii mitalo ipanuliwe kidogo. Ndio tumejengewe sasa phase 2 na maji itakuwa mingi. Pia kuna maji inatoka kwa barabara huko juu inapita ndani ya soko. Tusipopata drainage kubwa, hiyo maji yote inakuja kujaa ndani ya soko. Hiyo President, tunaomba juu governor ako hapa atakubali kusikiza kilio yetu. Ingine Bwana President, soko wakati tulijengewa, watu walikuwa wametoroka soko juu ya moto. Lakini kujengewa soko mpya, soko saa hii imejaa mamilioni ya pesa iko ndani ya soko. Sile machini zilikuwa na Wahindi, saa hii zimejaa ndani ya soko juu hakuna kuogopa moto na soko iko na security. Ile logo ilikuwa inaenda kutengenezewa mashule huko juu, saa hii inatengenezewa ndani ya soko. Hii yote inatokana juu soko iko na security ya kutosha.
We serve almost 90% of the diplomat being in a very strategic place near Muthaiga, East and Parklands, all that. We do that. So we would like to work with you very closely to secure our market, City Park market, so that our diplomat can enjoy our services and our deliveries.
Asanse muyende serikali nigo yatuguteirare okoranda kwa mangana muna ekerengo gechi billion isano ne muchinu gutaibere wetere kiombe kya National Youth Service NYS nigo chiakurumirwe. Mowaziri wobokoreri Geoffrey Ruku nigaerire serikali nigaegerere serikali asogoteba muna besateiyo yo mwananchi asirire kurende besiyo egotebekana negentu gyakwarekanete egatio mwaka wechilifu ibere na 13 goiko mwaka wechilifu ibere na 15 nemo bunakwerera emambia yabono igore besiyo gotebekana ya kurumirwe erechi billion isano ne muchinu gutebere ya mase ya moti gatura rigeriango na riagendera tukura sensemeyo
ati wanasema NYS iko na ukora mingi zaidi. Jamani, as we come up with the headlines of our mainstream newspaper or media houses, tuwe pia na jukumu ya kuelezea wananchi ukweli. Yale ambao wameongea katika hiyo gazeti ni mambo ya mwaka ya 2013, 2014, 2015 na 2016. Na hakuna Mkenya ambaye ajui kulikuwa na maneno pale katika hiyo kitengo ya serikali hiyo miaka ambayo nimesema. Na sisi kama wizara tulihakikisha kwamba all the pending bills saa hiyo mwaka ya 2013, 2014, 2015 na 2016 inaangaliwa kwa umakini. Ndio tulisema all the pending bills of those years must be properly audited, na zikaangaliwa na zikapigwa darubini, na tukasema zile ambazo zilikuwa za hewa haziwezi lipwa na serikali. NYS, it is in health condition at the moment. It is carrying a very important duty to the nation ya kufundisha vijana wetu paramilitary training, national service and vocational training. Na next month, hii mwezi ya Februari, NYS itachukua vijana wengi katika taifa letu la Kenya, ili waendelee kuwa train, wapate skills ya kuwasaidia miaka ijazo, miaka ambayo inayokuja. Kwa hivyo tusidanganye wa Kenya. I want to say categorically that National Youth Service, it is in very healthy condition as one of a very important institution in the Republic of Kenya. Let us inform the public in the most appropriate way. Kwa hivyo tunachunga mali ya wananchi wa Kenya, na hii ni kufuatia wito ya Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto, rais wetu, ya kwamba we must use public resources in a most prudent manner as a government. Na mimi kama waziri wake niko hapo kuhakikisha kwamba hakuna mali ya serikali inapotea kiholela. Na ile ambayo ilikuwa karibu kupotea hiyo miaka, tumeweka mikakati, koti imesimamisha hiyo maneno, hakuna ndururu ambayo italipwa kwa mambo ambayo ni ya hewa. Tumehakikisha kwamba kama serikali mko na huduma center ya kupata huduma yote ile ambayo inatakikana kutokana na serikali. Tutahakikisha kwamba zile huduma zingine ambazo hazijaweza kufika kabla ya mwezi ya 6 ifike, hii huduma, all the services, all the government services zitakuwa zinapatikana hapa huduma center hii. Ya mwisho jameni, niseme mimi nimepatiwa amri na rais wa jamhuri. Kuna janga la njaa katika Turkana, Marsabit, Mandera, Taita Taveta na kona zile zingine. Rais ameweka mpango ya kuhakikisha kuna chakula ya kutosha, na tuko katika mbio ya kuhakikisha chakula inaenea katika maeneo yote, the 23 counties which are semi-arid and arid counties. We have enough food to ensure nobody, no Kenyan, who is going to suffer because of lack of food. Kwa hivyo ni wito wale ambao wanafanya kazi na serikali, the chiefs, the assistant chiefs, kutoa habari, viongozi wale wengine, tunahakikisha kwamba chakula inafika katika hiyo maeneo. Vile vile chakula ya wanyama ya ng'ombe yetu, ya ngamia na wanyama wale wengine, pia serikali imepanga mpango ya kuhakikisha hiyo chakula inapatikana kona zile.
Kunganya korua senseme yugwika se ensemo ye bunge ya Malindi aborkiwa 55 korua se chiama ticho konyarugwa inseme ya Malindi nigo banyoero gusirwa gwechisemi wetera Aslim Scholarship Program korua se Jomo Kenyatta Foundation korigana no bunge wensemo ya Malindi Amina Munyanzi gakora okwena no gwechi scholarship icho gwechase aborkiwa abo nigo aerere oseniga akire serikali mbyemono asomurubiri oyo erigusire chiamate icho kirecho konyora gwainse keribona bori boige serikali kuigura ebisieri eria bange na barabwo banyore obokonyobo.
We have a good number that have applied, almost 944 who have applied, and after we do a vigorous interview we're able to get 32 boys and 36 girls, a total of 68 learners for Malindi Elimu Scholarship.
Hii program iko na wanafunzi tayari 114 wenye ambao wanaendelea tayari kusomeshwa, waliweza kuchukuliwa mwaka jana na hiyo miaka mingine ambayo imepita, na mwaka huu tumeweza kupata wanafunzi 68. Na kama mnavyoona wanafunzi katika wanafunzi 68, asilimia 60 ya hawa wanafunzi wamepata national schools na around asilimia 30 hapo wamepata intercounty schools. So ni wanafunzi wenye ambao pass mark ilikuwa imeangaliwa wale ambao wamepata above 45. The committee ikaweza kuzunguka mashinani, wakaenda wakaangalia ile situation ya watoto pale wanapotoka nyumbani, na wamekwenda kujionea kwamba wale wanafunzi ambao wameweza kuwachagua hapa na wameweza kubahatika, they are very needy students. Nitoe shukrani zangu kubwa kwa Wizara ya Elimu, nitoe pia shukrani zangu kubwa kwa watu ambao wamehusika katika hii program, watu wa Jomo Kenyatta Foundation, na nizidi kuomba ya kwamba tuweze kushirikiana zaidi na zaidi. Safari hii tumepata wanafunzi 68, tuweze kuomba kwamba next time tuweze hiyo idadi iweze kuongezeka.
Sisi kama ngao wa Malindi tutaweza kutembea kijiji kwa kijiji, nyumba kwa nyumba, kuhakikisha watoto wetu wote wameenda shule na wameweza kuandikishwa kusomeshwa kwa mashule tofauti tofauti. Takwimu zinaashiria ya kwamba wanafunzi wale ambao wanahitaji kuwa grade ya 6 hadi grade ya 9, wengi wao hawajaweza kwenda shule, na tunaomba wazazi waweze kuchukua majukumu yao kwa uzito, waweze kupeleka watoto shule. Tunaomba msaada wa viongozi wetu Malindi, wale ambao wako na nafasi ya kuweza kuwasomesha watoto, manake tumeona need ya wanafunzi wengi kuwa shule, waweze kuwasaidia na waweze kwenda mashule tofauti tofauti.
Nashukuru shirika hili la Jomo Kenyatta Foundation pamoja na ofisi yote ya elimu. Nasema Mungu awabariki, kwa sababu si rahisi mzazi ambaye anakaa na ulemavu, wakati mwingine huwa hao wazazi wa namna hiyo wanabaguliwa. Hata hao walemavu wengine wanaonekana kwamba ni kama hawafai katika jamii. Lakini mimi mtoto wangu amechukuliwa, niko nayo furaha tele. Sikujua kama mtoto wangu kwa kweli atapata nafasi hii, na nilikuwa mwenyewe anajihurumia, kwa sababu kwa kweli siwezi hata kubeba mizigo mizito, kufanya biashara, angalau mtoto wangu aweze kuenda shule.
Na wangu ambaye amefanya grade 9, na hizo hali za uchumi kidogo zilikuwa zinakanganya. Tuliposikia kwamba kuna hizo mambo za hii elimu scholarship, tukaleta mafomu, tuka-apply, na Mungu ameingilia kati mpaka mtoto amepata. Na sio yeye peke yake, ni wengi. Maana hiyo siku ya kwanza tulikuwa tuko watu zaidi ya 1000.
Korigereria ase ayabwatika ine amo noborimi netugo nigo waziri woborimi netugo mtaikagwe nigo abeire mamincha no muswada oribusi we bunge neria Afrika ya mucha igoro yokubwata nekiombe kerige korigereria amaryogo amwanya bantu nabo igo etugo mo waziri Mutaikahiga nigo asensemu yende boigo aereire emerobero nabo igo amountiryo agendere teko korekana asensemo yoborimi netugo erikweneke na omorimi ngusirwa mense yaito ya Kenya kurwase serikali.
First and foremost, I want to thank the Veterinary Medicines Directorate because of the excellent work that they are doing here. I think it is incumbent upon us to appreciate that the work that is being done here is a matter of human health. Whereas it starts with animal health, it actually ends up as human health. And I think it is very important for us to appreciate what the Veterinary Medicines Directorate does, which a lot of Kenyans do not seem to be aware of. Importantly is the matters that they have been dealing with, the challenges that the institution has had over the last 1 year, and the road that they have come to be where they are as a formidable institution dealing with a very important aspect of the health of our animals, and as I said, ultimately, the health of our people. I think that in the discussions that we have had today, we have emphasized the need to link ourselves with the county governments and the need for the county governments to be alive to the issues that veterinary medicine plays within the counties themselves. It is particularly important at this time when we are expecting drought, when we are facing various challenges such as the diseases that occur with the situation that is developing right in front of our eyes. And the institution that is critical in dealing with some of those issues is the regulatory framework that we have within the country managed by the Veterinary Medicines Directorate. I think also important is the discussions we have had regarding to the legislative agenda that is in Parliament in relation to both the human medicines as well as animal medicines. And we have made it clear that it is important that the two be separated. They were separated before 2015. There was a reason why they were separated. That reason is still there. It has not gone anywhere. And therefore, there is no reason at all for us to do so, for us to combine management of the two. There is a mischief that was addressed when they were separated. And I think that is the framework on which we want to exist. In any event, is international best practice to keep them separately. The World Animal Health Organization has made that directive, has made that as the way forward. And therefore, we have asked that the mediation committee that is currently at work between the Senate and the National Assembly be alive to that fact that combining the two is against the international order of doing things as far as human and animal medicines is concerned. We will also be engaging the East African Community Assembly so that we also deal with that issue at that level. Kenya currently shares the East African Community, as you well know, so, and also in the Comesa region. And I have taken it as chair of the agricultural sector to make sure that we have discussed it at that level and ensured that regionally and nationally we have kept best practice as the way forward. So I don't want to belabor the point about the importance of the institution that we have. But critically, we would also like the county government to be aware and to prepare for the engagement with the Veterinary Medicines Directorate. And we are concerned, and we will continue to do so, particularly with the vets. You know, I know that we are working closely with the personnel as well as the medicines. All that belongs to our ministry. So we want to combine both so that the DVS's office is also quite aware of some of the practices. And it is important for the counties to know that issuing a license, a business license, does not equate to issuing a practice license, you know, to start giving medicine, animal medicines. That a business license is not a qualification for dispensing animal medicines. To dispense animal medicines, you need to get approval from the directorate, so that there has been that confusion, and you can easily find yourself in a court of law without your realization. And to clear this agenda and to make sure that everybody understands it, the directorate will sometime this year be holding a major conference and bringing all stakeholders, public sector, the private sector will also come in, so that all these things are put in the table and cleared for smooth running of the livestock sector.
Go tigara nayo mwancho morire aya bwatikire no bari memambia bono mase ya muri watoko ya na gwikase nyumba enene yo brai wense gasumuchi asumucho Nairobi agwase murai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto agenda tekora omurubiri bwokwana na ebyegwa go chiase abakore emirimo ba serikali ao korengana no bokoreri bwabo babiri bakwana na korwa engaki asweto brai gwikira boniga nonyena se emiaka ya magega emambia ya bono nakirobya mase ya munko gotambuki gwikase nsemejo eritorigere na ndarya agenda tokorekana kurwa sensemeyo na inde aseri tukeriga ine ningona ngogose ogochekobekirwe gutwa na koegwa ekiegwa we asengincho yobokoreri bwaye asechisemo ao imeyensi yaito ya Kenya.
Adventurous journeys and tiresome hikes that got us to this qualification. I've played the roles of a navigator, a group leader, and a first aider. Roles that called for responsibility, pressure, and came with more than a few wrong turns. But they also taught me how to work with others, how to remain resilient when things don't always go to plan, and perhaps most importantly, how to remain patient, especially when my group was convinced we were somehow reading the map upside down. But the memory that stays with me most is from our residential project in Kajiado County. We built a fence for Lendoko Primary School, a school caught in the middle of a wildlife corridor. For years, the community longed for a perimeter wall, and through the award, we were able to help make that possible. These experiences have changed me. But perhaps what struck me most rather wasn't the fence, but the people. They welcomed us with laughter and football games played with balls made of socks. We didn't have much, yet I did not feel as though we lacked, and in that moment, I realized something. They say you must walk a mile in a man's shoes to truly understand his life. But let me tell you, for me, it didn't even take 10 footsteps to start counting my own blessings. The things we often take for granted: education, resources, opportunity, they maximize it so little. Just imagine what they could achieve with a fraction of what we often waste or overlook. The award has pushed me beyond my comfort zone, teaching me how to lead and how to follow, how to serve with empathy and impact. It's changed all of us into the adults, professionals, and leaders our home Kenya will depend on tomorrow. This moment is proof of grit, proof of late nights, early mornings, and choosing to keep going when it may have been easier to just quit. And for that, each and every one of us here today can hold our heads up high. We've earned this moment. We've done it. Tumemaliza, tumefika. Your Excellency, my one humble request is that you continue to support and expand the award so that more young people across our nation, in every county, every school, can have the same chance we've had, can have the honor to be where we are today. It is often said that a society grows great when young people plant trees whose shade they may never sit in. Through the award, we've learned to serve beyond ourselves, to build, to give, and to invest in a future bigger than any one of us. And in doing so, we are laying the foundations for the Kenya we are to inherit and the Kenya we are already shaping. Thank you. My name is Amani Njoki.
A round of applause for the main speaker of this meeting. What Amani has said there is profound. I wish each and every one of us and every Kenyan can listen to what she has said. It is, in my opinion, a very consequential statement. Congratulations, Amani, and your team. I know you spoke on behalf of all the gold awardees and all the other people in this program, and your wishes of expanding this program to reach many more young people is therefore granted. And you will. So thank you very much. My very best wishes. Mkirudi nyumbani simtasalimia wazazi wenu jameni? Mtawasalimia wazazi na mtasalimia pia wanafunzi wenzenu na marafiki zenu, si ndio? And please ask them to be part and parcel of this great movement, and I am looking forward to the next cohort of awardees. Asanteni sana. May God bless you. I wish you the very best, and I love you guys. Asante sana.
A wonderful round of applause for His Excellency. Your Excellency, sir, with your permission, we'll now progress to the awards. So I'll humbly request Your Excellency to kindly come to the center here. And we'll do this in clusters. Let's take our seats, please. Kindly, let's take our seats. We are moving now to the actual awards. We have a total of 58 awards to be given out. 14 are in clusters, and I'll invite the clusters in the following order. So those who are representing the clusters, kindly you'll come in this order. Madam CEO, if you can kindly help me with certificates. We'll start with AIC Jericho, CDC Youth Development Center. If you can kindly come forward. Followed by Alliance Girls High School, Alupe University, Ambira High School, Bishop Gatimo Ngandu Girls, Braeside International School Thika. If we can have those 6 representing the first cluster. So if they can kindly come forward, I'll repeat: AIC Jericho CDC Development Center, Alliance Girls High School, Alupe University, Ambira High School, Bishop Gatimo Ngandu Girls, and Braeside International School Thika. The representatives, we're waiting for you. Oh, they're right here. Your Excellency, sir. Your Excellency, if I may request that you kindly come and do the honors to give the awards. And a round of applause for them as they're coming. They'll each come and receive a certificate. Then we take a photo after that. So starting with AIC Jericho. CS, if you can join His Excellency. Then followed by Alliance Girls High School. Alliance Girls, if you may come. Just step aside, we'll take a photo with all of you. Alliance Girls. Followed by Alupe University. Ambira High School. Bishop Gatimo Gandu Girls, you may be approaching the stage. Then Braeside International School, Thika. Then Braeside International School. Wait, sir. Then that is Braeside International School, Thika. For the photo, I'll request that we all now join in for one photo. 3 on that side, 3 on this side. We are 6 of us. If we can just divide 3. Your Excellency, I'm advised that because of the light, we'll need to face this way. Apparently, the photographers are not able to get good pictures from this side. So kindly, if we can just face this way, thank you. And as we do that, the next lot is Brookhouse Group of Schools, Bumbe National Polytechnic, Butula Boys, Cardinal Otunga High School, and Dedan Kimathi School of Technology. I'll repeat those names again. Brookhouse Group of Schools, Bumbe National Polytechnic, Butula Boys High School, Cardinal Otunga, and Dedan Kimathi University of Technology. Starting with Brookhouse Group of Schools. They had to underline Group of Schools. Bumbe National Polytechnic is next. Bumbe National Polytechnic. Butula Boys High School. Bumbe. Oh, okay. Then Butula Boys High School. Butula. Followed by Cardinal Otunga Girls High School. Then Dedan Kimathi University of Technology. All right, for the group photo, if we can, 3 on that side, 3 on this side, please. And as we do that, Eastern Open Award, Egerton University, Friends School Kamsinga, Friends School Keveye Girls High School, and Gretsa University should be lined up. Eastern Open Award, Egerton University, Eastern. You may progress, please. Eastern. Makofi kwake tafadhali. Followed by Egerton University. Egerton. I'm told. Group of schools. Some of us didn't go to a group of schools. Egerton, potato. Egerton University. Karibu. Then Friends School Kamusinga. Friends School Keveye Girls High School. Friends School Keveye Girl. Then Keveye and Gretsa University. Then Gretsa University. All right, for the group photo, after that. And as we do the group photo, Kabarak University, Kabete Polytechnic, Kabianga High School, Kaimosi Friends National Polytechnic, Kamahoha Girls. I'm not called. All right, thank you. So next we go to Kabarak University, Kabete Polytechnic, Kabianga High School, Kaimosi Friends National Polytechnic, Kamahuha Girls.
Gotigana nayo mwanchu muriria agendere tekuru senyo mbene niyo burai bwense abo ase aboro kigwa nabo gakisku net institution au kigendere tekonyora ebyegwa wetra sobokoreri bwabo obyana boigo ase miremo babere bakora kuru asinsemo kiabo au asensemo yende mambya bono nigo mubunge bwensemo ya Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro nigo araire nsemo yabarai barema mincha noko nigwa wechi share chebirengo bye 15 che serikali ase kambali ya Safaricom korwa ebirengero byabo igoro yo murobero yo asenkwana yabo bosibwe committee ya finance and national planning area ekoligereria esira yense yo ekoragwa na Shure Abdi Omar na Kuria Kimani nigo baruro kubore gochese serikali kwigora egesieri gochese chinse chaisiko erigo chokonyora echirengia eraso gose eragure tishia echo aserigori rirarigia mono na boigo erachikoretera ense to ya Kenya efaida asekerengo keigoromono.
Remember, this transaction is dealing with a group, but the group incorporates also M-Pesa, M-Pesa Africa. It incorporates also Ethiopia. So, at this particular time now, can Kenya know how much stake Kenya owns in Ethiopian operations? Because the shareholders here in the group are not necessarily the ones in Ethiopia as shareholders there. As I go to the finish, I agree with Honorable Makirapo on valuation. Safaricom shares was worth 45 shillings in 2021. The valuation was therefore 1.8 trillion in 2021. A point where so much money was also being reinvested in Ethiopia. The intervening years, the profit went a little down. Why? Because a lot of money was also going into the Ethiopian investment. Now, Chairman, this is the thing. This financial year, up to the first half of, I think September is the half year of Safaricom, they had a 52% increment in profit, bottom line. So we are selling Safaricom based on the previous profits. That's why this deal in Harakishwa. So that by the time Safaricom announces their full year profits, which will be over 52% increment, the deal will have already been done. And I can give you this also, Chairman, because we are here as Kenyans, we will see. This is a teaser. By next year, maybe by the time this committee finishes this, you will see the government saying, oh, we saw some people also saying they also want to buy. What I want to assure you is this. They will also want to sell the 20%.
I happen to be an architect, and we have our scale of fees. 525 prescribes the minimum payable to architects. To the best of your knowledge or recollection, is there a minimum payable to stockbrokers by law so that we can deal with this matter? Number two, on the split of Safaricom, this discussion was mentioned by CS for National Treasury, and he argued that if you split it into 3 entities, then you lose the leverage. You increase costs by having distinct entities, But I also know from my own research and experience world over, where we've had a split of giant telcos, the residue entities have not done very well. And I'll give you an example. We had General Electric splitting into, I think, aviation, medical, and energy. The aviation sector never picked up. We had Johnson & Johnson splitting into pharma and medical. We have had HP splitting. We've had, I think, Toshiba and other companies in the world. So, given that Safaricom is dominant, don't you think that splitting it into distinct entities then will create avenues for other competitors to cannibalize the small entities? Secondly, how efficient will splitting be given that they all rely on the same infrastructure, network infrastructure? And then how will we have to deal with that then, given that we will have shareholding in the three entities? Will the shareholding be evenly spread out, or will we opt to hold one entity and release the others as the government? I think that needs to come out clear. It's it. The third question, and I think you brought a very important dimension here on cross-listing. What has been the hindrance that all along a very successful company that, like Safaricom, has not cross-listed in other countries? And you gave London as an example. And what route would we take as Parliament to ensure that this cross-listing is achievable without any legal hiccups? My last question, what is your experience and what is your comment on double layering, where we have Vodacom owning Vodafone and then Vodafone owning part of Safaricom? Don't you think it would have been easier if we eliminated this layering, multiple layering? Because someone came here and insinuated that this layering could be suspect.
Chairman, one thing will answer this in one bullet. Advertise 15% GOK stake in the international markets. I guarantee you 2.5 trillion Kenya shillings will be too little for the valuation. If you look at 2021, it was 1.8 trillion. So the honorable members, my brothers and sisters who were asked about what my valuation would be, we should not be discussing anything below 45 per share. We should now be discussing about what we have done in Ethiopia, which was not present in 2021. Our discussion should be starting from there. But we've been cornered by these guys. We are now gasping for breath on the side of the loss. It is not good. It's not prudent. The other issue, I think, is the last one. This issue, we are being treated, you know, these other issues may take time, it is uncertain. So, we are looking for these guys, they are already on the table. Is that a precedent we want to set as a country? That if I identify public land, I go to the ministry and say, I am a buyer here, I am offering this. And then the ministry will justify and say, oh, we have some willing buyer who is already buying at this price. Because that is the reasoning globally. I mean, holistically, if we are permitted now, that, okay, I can go to the treasury tomorrow and say, I want to buy Kenyari. And then they look at the market. Kenyari shares, the valuation is 17 billion shillings as of today. Okay, I tell them, I want to buy at a small premium, I'll pay you 22 billion. And they agree and we sign and I run away with Kenyari. The valuation and the share price. There is no way you can distinguish that, because the valuation, what is called market capitalization, is the sum total of all the shares listed times their market price that day. That's why the market cap of companies keeps on changing. Market cap, what I'm trying to say, does not necessarily communicate the valuation of the company based on the many examples I've given some that have happened in the last 1 year, like Baburi and Amson, some that have happened in the year 2023 of Rea Bipiko, selling in the market at 27.50 and eventually buying the shares at 85 shillings for the same share. So I'm just trying to say, Honorable Chair, it will be a tragedy if Kenya relies on the market in this transaction, because the buyer knows that, and that's why they are capitalizing. So let me go to my brother.
Mwancho mwarigere bwen Soko TV chidaika nibere goro yechinsa isano chiabono mambia mbiyamona asukubwate mirobere yonsi mya Soko TV na mono asomorobere obono mambia weturubini kera tokonya kumorekera ao na boigo magiga yokonyora liagendera tokorekana kurwa chinsemo ao nenga ki ende engia kera toko chikoswa asensemo yende ya kabere asokorigere ya bwatkenene chikosori mambia bono ne kerenga gechekenene no korigereria igoro ye chikosori chia Afcon echuchia etire chomwaka wechile fubera 2025 na boigo okweyarigania gworgongo rwa Afrika ya mocha ase omwaka wechile fubera 2025 nebere yani omwaka ogocha ine chinse chigaisatu ense ya Kenya, ense ya Tanzania na Uganda tweyariganiri osechi yariganiri burunge na boigo chiabwatire bintu biri byonsi pipiga baganiri kubwati na kwikerania eryo gochiko kila chikosori chiga ngochiokorekana chire ase enchira ere endonge na emambia bono tindinche bweka korende bare tugochigosangana baragwo emambia ya bono ase bono tigochikobari bagaba kwane korende nigo tokorasio miri chiduka akego na baadaye to kwerana ntochiko ya kwanira ase obwagare ntochucha korigereria ase chikosori chia Afcon 2025 chia etire na boigo tumaitiko so abono korigereria ase aliara chiko korekana gochia bosio igaiga toskara ne TV yago ya Soko TV oboroso womugusi.
Eye Soko TV oboroso bumugusi.
Asokoria gokogokia kogosemia na boigo gokomanya ali akorekanire kurwa chinsemo chia Kenya
kurwa sensemo ya siasa chisemi obonchoreria amaganio ali akubwatira ne obugima bwa botambe bwa mwanto kubatogo sensemo ingana rie kemoya mwancho morigeria korigia komanya mangana yekegusi abego chingencho chae
umerana na inche Frida Kerubo
na inche Clinton Ondigi
tokomanye asemesa ya mangana maya ali akorekanire kurwa ase chinsemecho kera litukoria Jumatano ense ya mogoroba na boigo chinsa isato. Eye Soko TV oboroso womogusi.
Amareni gagendrete gotose mwana boire bukia tali yesu sera ekegonko esukari lisabeso ukurasa kwa manyinga yan blood pressure ninki turakore wetanga kuri wasare nyorali chibu asomurobelyo bubugima nobo cheno asora bego kumeni wanabandegitari bamarwire ao nabo yabamanyi bande bayatunge tyobo cheno kumurikira marwire nobo wenia nyoro murobelyo bubugima nobo cheno na Caroline Mausa kirali tukule Jumatatu chinsa ibiri chabutuko ime Soko TV oboroso umugusi. Obulimira bwesiro yobunda bwense kulenge talinchira ndio sira krobulimi obiyoke enyoreri bagalia bene kwaegwa megelyo chisemi nobosemya egero obulimi bwekerero nechikolinga
asobolimi bochete skuru nobotigi bokumerwa mate
tebone ngombe bune yengiya
gale konyana eyinsimegete ndera ngetia maraba ekonete konya kukina yo kamara konya kuyona nganya kwa mabuya
beka chibuti imokyo bokombe to semogondo bweli nebisumwime na pathway machine
kile sukuri Jumaine chinsa ni bere chamurago ba weka chinsa isato asomurobere oberemi nobotugi ekero turesemia mange kura saberemi chini ngoro kwa pathway machine
asomurobere boberemi nobotugi ime Soko TV oboroso womugusi.
Yake machinga tara Gaike taoni ya Nyamira na rena shauri sangwe Ngararo moijano Umotu wate ya mabwari
Murigeri bwe Soko TV uyu no muroberio gwo kongoria mareko na inje mwana mboka Edwin Yang'au turabe tukumira na kila ritu kurie iki guchakira chinsa 11 cha mogoroba wikenseyemo ya butuko tugwakorire imirimo yawo yerituko kwabukire orosete uikaransitiru ya ubuyanda chitasekeruko orambulete mirundo kunyagusibero ngori na hali ya screen ni chingero chikoletwa na mwanambuka Edwin Yang'au ano to konyora chingero chionsi echiegita na chobenga kwa nubukano echiembegetere ndo gesongengo to amereria
Bakalia omoto yakabwatwa Bakalia omoto yakabwatwa Amatukemeronge na gaika kabwatwa
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwanchu morieri bwe Soko TV karibu naenda sensemo eyega yende yakabira sogo chokwanira ayabwatikene ne chikosori emambya yabono na mono ase Afcon eyega ya etire na boigo ase Afcon yo mwaka wechile 2025 nebere eyego chakubwatia eyibono era chokorakana ime yorogongo ruigarwa usasensemo ya Afrika ya muchane mambya yabono egatia baritugo chikosangana barabona kire buyamba eribaga bagokwani nabogena bokubwatia umurobiri oyiga gwetera senchira yo mutandao wekerera Facebook na YouTube en Soko TV namba ya mawasiliano ase ujumbe nyinge nigere noti isano na ibere isano na isato isano ni mumara gatano omwerio beka isato tosanga so bwamo korbono goika omwerio tiamba iribaga bagosogeria mambya yabono nchake korwese ensemo yago tingo kwanira lieta lirelio nabongwe kwanira lieta
nabongwe asa lieta ngoro kwa chwa Joseph nabo igona kwaliga nirio chiche ase gosoto tegerere obe 90 asomorubelio igo chigochaka
Biamaro asense moye ndoko boko kwane wekebe
buna butambe yo bakonduka Daniel Omwaga kera baba Antona Suarez obomo go connect ko Orionsi karibu sana ime mu Betro bini mwanchu mwire ayante toragere chigoso rero hanne chigosori echiorogongoro ria aru Africa chigoso cha Afcon chiri chakoreka na chiri chiguchi igocha.
Okay, karibu sana mwanchu mwiri tusange asobu ameka to chakorigereria igure chigosori chigacha Afcon chigosego sorry yumupira bwenkoyo uyegamana to kwanira Afcon the first time Nigo tuachage tu mwaka 1957 gucha gwikira rero igagobono twara twachigosori chiga kurwa se chinse au yakoneka chinse au na enenga kiende no sorongorwa semo ya Afrika ya mucha ngocha tora baadaye 19 tuchi host lakini tiatura aligeria se miaka ya maiga to chakara semo ya Joseph asikuru mwaka 1957 gwikira bone gase twekire esabari tuachire asengencho kera twari guchako si ari guchaka ibigo chambire byarenge menganya se na yarenge gwikira paka se twekire bone igabone yaste koera imeyense ya muruke sabari ne kiyabere ku 1957 paka bona
ekaro kuligereri ku 1957 mpaka bone gase tole etora tebenga changes monomono chirichikoba ni in terms of technology nande karo kuligereri technology CAF etenenire na FIFA karo CAF etenenire na FIFA FIFA as a body ebinto nebinge okonyora ya advanced koru amachiko gocha ebinto mbere byara chenjiri lakini sana ogo change kwaye ekogocha in terms of technology alafu also toroligereri in terms of even the dressing code gekogera enga kieli kale karukuligereri chibicha chiricha 1950s 1980s gocha chijas chirwala kubeka karokende nabo kuligereri paka wase kanganki so chia chenchiri tokarora tingonyora tana bara kinyoli omwaka Cameroon nechete ne ebisana gete bibutokerete Indomitable Lions ya Cameroon ebisana gete bibutokerete igaiga
na Amariko
Amariko ma na FIFA ya ligereti kabaka ngaite fine ye point 9 kagera mbachi ku qualify World Cup ya lenge mutu same Cameroon na ndene chiete gaja ni chianga gete kona nsete yani onyo ku mata in football kororole chance na bakonyara bagutalirana chance ige lakini yali bono yali nkonyo goko mubwata no muntu orabwate na FIFA kaligereri gateba no wika
gate konyarika
wika dress code nero ebekire amachiko narororo abekire naende sana gento tora aligereri gya chenchiri ase omupira Africa Cup of Nations oiso koligere pricing iririe team ya gwiniri nkia koya gwa mutu gaiga muna bono Senegal ngaite na bayachite na 1.3 billion karogo chenjichi dola jintu Kenyan shillings yuere 1.3 billion egento kio mwelio ngande kiya changere sana no mupira bwa AFCON gosai Africa Cup of Nations oimokire igoro ekaro okurigereri enga kieri abantu baringe gwake bintu mbere bitarengo buna chi agent nini karo ntu akolete omugano yomo Richard Yatambo ne legend ya Shabana agatata ibone matenga kieri bare nge waka yale kwa buna bono kanga ari gwakire club na Liverpool nini because of kwerendeli babo Henry Motego rocha acha kogenda kwerende Middle East lakini karo kurigereri osikorigereri lineup wono asabu ne Senegal onyeligereri no enkoru tu boja liri bagwita France World Cup bakaboni ye team ya Chelsea wakonyoranga majority ya karokenda nga bonsi ya players bali balegeti bali chi club ao ngumbu keligetare ngo kurumahega maruma tense yaramukirira arabantu ngo tuma bali scouts in the field bacha baligereri bagotanye ndani Suarez oyo monge kwarire onye nchani sio itoka iga monge na nchani sio kora na bakali kwa kumupira sana monge wana kalwara ngiriga ngabakonyoranga kero kendo onye team yabwata nini players batanya kwenda ngumbu kwanyora batano bangusiru kwanyora sita bangusiru abande bacha bagenda trials bagweta bakira chi club chiri cha ngumbu meaning transition yo mupira wakera club chiangumbu na ndiko na minute no nenengo ya beire igoro compared koru magagali ekero nini Africa Cup of Nations ya chagete
tugo ngo chase nsemo yago dana ekero tukwira na kuru 1957 wekera boniga AFCON ichinchia nya kubwekana kero mwaka kirenga kekero egokorekana AFCON nere mo na bera benyone ne yo mwaka oyo bono igo 2025 AFCON kieria komo chikorakana na eye ngere tofauti na ndera abage kwenyoro kuru mwako ipaka wekera bona iga
AFCON ra tegere kwenyoro tagote bana AFCON eye ya latest kabisa kera ya twarire ebikorogete bitarenge bitarenge byamano na ende bikorogete birategere kwenyoro asa maiso y'abantu aseni yake menge egente getangani AFCON ya itete yo mwako yo 2025 yakorakante mwako 2026 ikoria monchero kururerwa kwa 2022 nigo yabwat a double prize ebuna kwa guchi Joseph Yatweba kurweri yakare yakorekanete eri ya mwako 2023 igo yarenge double prize ekomana ekorokinga ebona ekembekeriya FIFA mona keriya CAF mirongo Africa yakora monchorigete ya abagosori bari kunyara gotonwa bya nabo kunyara koba gutamburishwa buna ibikambe binde buna biri byense ya Champions League na biri byense ya Europe ya kabire tukwande bikoro biri byarekante bigokorekana litangani kabisa igo mupira uri ngumu ya sana hegenti kyarekante korokinga tubwate mangana mange no ekoro kwara kurwa first half ingima na second half nke igabo gosori bari no ekera baguchesa na rafu go bare koimukanya anene egente kya umonda gose koranga no oborari bari abambanyi chikanti chonse ngo chibwate aba Islam ekanti ya Morocco obansina aba Islam na no percentage ya aba Islam ime ya Senegal igere 2.8% yani in short imbayo ubora atare ko rwegamba kabusi otaranya ro mu Islam yo somo keso no yo igo obansina ngeri aba gosori bari babo gweye babo Sadio bonsi baina aba Islam ekabanga mupiro ligo bakunyeshesa ki friendly sana first half kafunji njari ngebune final na natete korra final yo kurutwa korre final chiruka chigosoka final mukubwata nebi gotikwa chiteka ange emeronge na chintangan kabisa igare nge final nge eyobosani korende mutukwande nga change chete korre kana megayo butukano ubwa referee Jeni Ndala agwense ya DRC Congo kama chikora kana ngakora reside kete butukano bolia bone bintu bitura kwanene ibiri kocha ye club keria gia Senegal emero manyekaine buna Pepe Tiao ko barangiria gosoka bagosori bari gosoka kuruisiko yani kurugo segeti na kwende dressing room mega ya penalty yebo tutukanu ye timu ile ya Morocco yabeto kubage kwegwa no se kogereria Joseph asobware amagosori Kristo West Ham Diouf El Mahdi Diouf Robert ka kubwato mugosori David Koti nche sokorengana kwa ne penalty yaringe lakini bali bandiko bayigwetani safe nga chitaika chietira maya kunyara banyonsiri yegori yabereka bake ukanso ne korekana ne gori yaringe yekemene egori iri yabafungete Senegal ne kemene yaringe ne penalty yego chakwego Morocco ne yekemene yaringe lakini bali bakayego akibara mukito kanso yetu bari ubayego so that unsaveness the things that can be remembered is the coach of Senegal will be remembered korusi abakosori bwaye kurwegeti akabateiba gande dressing room number 1 ngende kyawe chikwira Senegal ko baka cancel the following World Cup inyora baba eriko baka qualified na gwa ku sanction chinyinge sana ne kombekeriye FIFA amazing yakabirige chikwinyorwa no mugosori Sadio Mane uyogosori tegosori ya mwere by the way ya AFCON tayo chikocha nse ya Kenya lakini yagosori gosori ya mwere ye country yaye na kobwana ende konyoru kanda lakini akabari cold nda akaba amku igwe chikwinyorwa Sadio Mane enda gaso tunnel akabareta abagosori ibaria agoche megeti nenyorunga epena nyatu gutetu so bikorogote byarenge gari bikorwa byarenge birachikunyuru sana byakorekane tense chiteke merongebe
umaite tigatokorero umaine yabona style teyo tani aratebe nga pepitao coach ya Senegal achikunyuru ase o korangelia
abagosori basoko
yakora nabwate authority okay for Mane sportsmanship tingo kanero njale ngoro lakini Mane pressure kiabwate omuntu bwate pressure yogo deliver ne coach yiga njendo chenga coach yeli tubwenerete tonyinyore buna hero omuntu teneneire obumaine to konyanyaswa kera lituko oligerere tio
ebikorwa ebyo bibe negative ama positive asa na obirale positive asa abande bali bago chambwa kivyo igo bire negative na ibigo chikwinyurwa
lakini onyo koro mu Africa kamili omuntu bwenerete koraro kwereke coach yeli ya Senegal
tutara kinyore na sense meyo tutarache gwikira no nyana sense mu yo gukwana na igoro ye coach na bintu biri omwaga na kwanira na egolnere yabegetwa egacheka tuguterware tutarache gwikira nyone na se coach turi nyona kige mu ya tekaira tira nango magasi nini turigereria na ngwa kwanira ya technology ere ya stikatia VAR igo ya chagitine chinse cheisco viari ya chakire koletwa yaretwa sorgongo rwa Africa abande bari bahote abana viari yetu gukwanira ya chakire gusaliyo umupira bari bahote na nigegendera tokora emeremere myaya ororo biri umupira bwenko yogocha turachakira se viari turachwekera nyone na se coach Joseph
maite karo twari kurigereria umupira uri eheda nibekire buri kanyi lakini nza tokamanya konyora musukusuko norengo defender ya Senegal ni sugumete nani Achraf Hakim ekara musugumete gento bakabona nkwe boli ref yeli Jini Ndala ale bwango kobugie silimbu gokana egoli lakini tara take time arole ninki kyarengega iga umaite kanga ari kuira ngorake gekoriso korore filimbi eli nywete ne goli ebugete ne goli
your communication plus VR that's what
kwarire now ari kuira time because VR yabo tebo ref eli officiate umupira abwate powers chetanity
nare no kubwa
ekarare no kubwa kanga bone genta akorete neke okoba bwangoli yani it is like egento keria ari ko determine paka bato ko chumpira twara hapana kanga ari gutiga yani chi second getege goli ya nyure ama ko bugie kwenda akane ngorra tole ga kino ne karu munta anyonsirie ori kare kona mate ko sherekea omanya kuigwe siri mbira na gochange goli eri yakani oyo koranga tegete gento keri bo kero kendo kuligereri tinkomanya rende nkende bakamubekere to mubuko tinkomanya
no arenge gari
now kange yenda korete neke you take time egoli anyure bariri bago chaka eshere nalio kubugia sirimbi gukana goli tinte geti ninki then you take time also listen your assistant ninki bakogote you can agree to disagree lakini nayo bwate okubwa kanga nabe minyoke setiga aenda ara ligereri no ene kwerende why kwani Morocco barabunga kibali special okubwa ngaba rende imagine Morocco ne player ya apireti ya penalty konyo umupira ogenderere bona ominyo kire kwerende gari o determined ina kaya 97 in fair play kangando chenga by the time are kwa Morocco a penalty yabare konyonsi enda 1-1 egolieri akanete maega gari that is why akoris temperature chiri abanda abarora pana okay nande nankuru maega muna Morocco ya chagetegemo ndoro chenjera gete bakonyo Jarane ngikokoro kaliyo mundo ko eberli umwana arare teri satamwe gotume akon bakorelwa yani tisireki bakonya kubasuguma
lakini Joseph tigato kwa na incident ya kwa kanitenzi chiteka isano intangani ye timu ya Senegal ofunge goal na ya kabere omo defender wa Senegal oyore Madrid of West Ham komubwata ebikoti ene baka mbwate bigoti egori yari anja kanetu kore ngano no yanyansa tie gori inero oyere tiori okrete kwene korende nkore nganga it was so slight for the Moroccan player kogenda anse Hakimi kogenda anse wango sana na begori yanyonse timu gocha kwenye cancel ne bateba ne foul it's okay tona ne sense mi yende ya bona ye box ya Senegal kona yake na Morocco abadia bakira umupira oyo kirete umupira yore aji diofu nero watu umuntu dio ndebi gwati yore striker ya Morocco korende akawini ya ball ya tangu atereti umete tiseka nche kwanta kubatera umuntu kubinde box me box mumora round ko because you are so close to each another mura round ko kunyuga next area lakini tiseka nchi kwanta kubwaterera umuntu dio kumbwatera for too long then it's a clear penalty but you go ya chidio na mubwate taro yes na mubwate clear ball akaushika kwa wango sa
advantage yake
to me ina normal referee you went kwenye play on because number 1 sawa mwatu mamwabwata na mwela nanse oyo moyo enda answer lakini na win ya ball yae kwa kwanza kwamba intention zake zilikuwa tukushi kuwin near that ball livia kama gosa onye ndria atagwete mupira ule atango tebenga ene itakilia penalty nawe
ema Joseph wana tuna nase ensemo area bone penalty ena niru eyibona yasite kwirera Senegal bagacha kokechwa ekocha nere gaiga ngoya gotebya abagosori na ki bono karugeti togenda kuchimoinoga libori ngai kwanza ari kubaira nigo bate tuko withdraw
according to
na baye kara tuko nyona na machiko hafiva na
kia kwera to Pepe Dao coach yabo nambe abona bwate okubwa because nere manager
yeba
alenge ku walk away
era bweka kibinafsi
ali munenjere litoro chibali ba kolire kwere akole kwere ndababwa aba bwati FIFA nebegete amachiko na ndamachikaya twanyarolire nambemo toru example totebe Kenya ngwakere na Morocco Morocco techicha ose Kenya te kole kwere automatically ase puru eyu kwere ndekoywa chipoint jana ni because mocheti sababu ende mokoleti kwende the worst kegento kende ndaba inyori maega geko garanga FIFA ebegeta machiko gete ara makali sana mbaro chekero pale kubeka machiko gente kana bakerache wape munyore gento kiabete Togo etimu yabalirie egoshambuliwa paka abantu bomia they withdraw paka abantu tigato number 1 it was a failure ya CAF koba ekwerende usalama so I thought maybe FIFA ngoligereria ratabenga ya banda obo maene mbakire ntoroche mbakire nande nense yabande yarenge ndo afeirete but bakaenda up wobani Togo for 2 years 2 years bona kerogo chichama chika FIFA arona arororo ebinto ne binge byarenge gocha kuligererigu igaiga eye wineti nini penalty umwe ref na bayari guteneni umupira uri batararwe verdict baende baikaranze buna CAF gose buna FIFA bamaya gochicha barwe ekwerende verdict ngakitokora twaba 3 points because aba bachiro mupira otarakoraki otaraera but now egento chronic the legitimacy elinga Morocco ni yabuire number 2 egente kengocha ku expose yarenge CAF bobesana because
wasiori bikorogete
bikorogete bitaiyo like the legitimacy ne lito kwanela na kingorore no nyane kare president ya niri chikura igaiga ngoga niare koba no nyandiria kuru ministry otakanga arusina no muntu gari asabata mwakirete chikura nini agera tware that legitimacy abantu bakoreki bamuitabe bwana gente keiga you can imagine Morocco bwatete kombe yako sherekea mupira toere mwarule nini fatika machikaro na ro FIFA ne begete because mwagokiri awe lakini no kwamba uli swali hili nje tindaru ase coach ya Senegal olina umuntu toligerere
esa yembu yakorete lakini the moment you call your players to walk out of the AGT when tukarangira pa basori baba so Kuru Stadium bagende number 1 ajo monyene nkobore sanctioned number 2 as the whole club nkoba more a band ka causing us ya FIFA either umwarenge muboko wa saire osemoko wasete eri chi kiko tabanga so long as mwa sokire ngwa kumure band muna bone go mokocha we club ya Senegal papetia obaire kwa band se miaka taramanyikana wikabona kurende obaire kwa bone gadi Urusi bu kwanza certain coaching staff ya timu ya Senegal ne kombe kirege nko yegense gya FIFA igobono igo amagosa ko tena ringa yokurangiria abagosori baye basoka isikurinde tukara mo Sadio Mane reka gukwana sana ano munyangongo uria erietagia sira akamote ibona tigatera tigatera ni abagosori bari imene nekere batikana koche bako bakonyoro bobui igote yabonye ndiri bachiete utangwa mbanya batibo buyobo
okay manager kera tokeria to inse yechise kuni yone 30 tumanye kwenda omutimoko omoke emambia ya bono iga munyangongogo no ryoyo karatigane coach akira to kwanira mugosori ya AFCON 2025
AFCON
munyangongogo no ryo
naro tarangiritu toracha kirabo nindoche no kolete kwerende riswali yao nindi we pati timanyeti Cameroon ekera bagutiga Vincent Abubakar na balenge gocha go change nini AFCON
ekienie
kigima na bono ekwerende lingeto karokende go saro chebobe Abubakar kagocha chigolira ngale komenta
chigo ya komenta ni sato
isato
ichiabona to come chiaro gocha komenta ni ndetani
ayetani abwe Samuel Eto'o so
oyibona ekocha bona
ole kwerende Samuel Eto'o
umurai ya
Cameroon bona ekarago tiga Vincent Abubakar isiko on ground stat arocho muntu kagochi chabe kichigoli sato obeire bingwa yani wetaniri obunire record ya Samuel Eto'o
obo inchebwachire imebona
akama komutiga kosikeri akaleta abantu abangao so Vincent Abubakar yari gocha no Morocco na bayari gocha kwenyora teyo igali lakini ende toira nase li swali
yebona munyangongo
umunyangongo ne bunu mupiro yo yerete isinani atatani Edward Mendy ande iga bono mete bigana ndo mete no tugosumbwana na babo dan kara bago tebanga anaitwa nani tega University the penalty
the guy akuru kwa Ibrahim Diaz
club
ya Real Madrid
Real Madrid statement nero adan ba konya ko meki newsroom egera paka ngechugwa nchikora aligi no nerungoli ngati Morocco ya miss the penalty that is not the right thing abantu batanga amwerere ya boli bintu biri mbiyo the right word sichibona tachiri kwase headline ne linga Mendy saved the penalty.
Okay. Wakora nile.
Nko nganga igamwere ti ayo teba igamiset. Number 1, we don't know nkigia kwa contention ya channel me yaba basori badigo chiko genda segaria. Eda imba kwanete gati abaka bakegwana mete iguna gwateba igento kiriko kyako chugwa.
Gati yango namo.
Gati yango namo. Gati aba chi official chikwante garia cha Morocco na yani cha Morocco na Cameroon. To kumanyanga igento kiri 1 ngo chikenge gwa sioria abo beboria bwa kafu na gwa kwana. Number 2 to kumanya go semba tebe baigwa nenga e penalty ya etugutu so rimo pira be level bagenda.
Ilero ne hiasi. Ilero ne hiasi. Ne baka bolo ma tera twanchera nege ntiga is a symbol as a player ya Golende nani Edward Mendy saved the penalty. To wa mtogende. Alia mtu wataka wote kitoko kwa omwaga ndara kuna jasiri akiroko burukani ebyonsi. A towel ya Mendy.
Ngoja tore towel. In one ground, Ibrahim Diaz no mogose yolinge Man City akenyora kare Real Madrid. Number 1, oma tenga Morocco yako bwa team yao yako bwa kombe ko 1976 emyaka 5. Is that the right time gwake pen Epanenka? Number 2, Epanenka nbe gwa kubunanyi yagete.
We don't care. We don't care. Na kiogwaka penalty yao.
Ibrahim Diaz kali mogosori
we don't care.
Penalty eseki wango bunakeria. Onyo tikuteke
na njemboli na njonga njemboli on the same. Inere penalty ntanga ni yonda kalire kwerende. He started in it.
Okay, inere ntanga ni Mendy ya Sergio Aguero. Mendy severe penalty ni ya Sergio Aguero yeye yarenge Panenka atraita kumupira kare Man City. Lakini Ibrahim Diaz after 50 years onye serious yarenge gwaka elino abona teammate nkyatete ama kuli
onye mbalinge serious kanyamba qualify tubachi cha se competition ile mteke Morocco nevuire Mendy na seveti penalty ile chiteori chiteyo ile ko nyangongo ile chiteori chiteyo.
Okay, the incidents onye serious ayo nyaka.
Okay,
then that was a big mistake
in football ngento ngaranga tell serious because
in such an
how do you support whatever it is good oyo ndera arangeriti players go chisiko obey penalized because yakolete bobe lakini ama tokea ya toroche egoli kipa ya Arsenal ya save ile penalty ntuko we don't care no bale kolete kabusi yake no bale kolete kabusi yake ntuko we don't care lakini ndo toroche ngeli na ki egoli kipa ntuko hata mwina ne legend o save ntuko we don't care sako enda kuchikwa ni wote ngenda bale kotini
bati na baenda kotini again tege tanga ni mbako bwa kigara mbanchi tege na geti mbaya tu penalty bake igo teammate you are given what you wanted mbaya tu penalty bakanye tuguta either FIFA
fair play parties now tera ikwadi bakanye tuguta
totraga FIFA fair play ba tumegete onye go seiga iga tungete ko buno gwancha anya FIFA fair play buna baba teba ya denge ko FIFA fair play inde mupira ogendere buya timanyeti akinrende I think match to nyaka nende manye tukutete na rende Senegal ga take that chance bakanani goli bwangu sana because kunye tukute penalty rate was a horror for them. Ba get go settle bakanyoro bwangu sana mogosori gweje gwe club kia Villarreal
tiatura bwaterera igo kwere na tore mwanchu molire magiga ye dakika eye moiga tiago turasiumiri chiduke mambia yabona na boiga tukwirana tuchikorie ribono AFCON 2027 asensemo ya Afrika ya mucha.
Eye Nensoko TV Uboroso bw'umugusi. Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ughaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721151500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Nuganite betri uratumia segari yao ebetri ugucakirimo ugakweba ebetri ulegene chinga kichonsi ebenga kiyeliberera gusenga kiyobokendu tawe chandika Autobat Kenya Limited no tuligigi singichao nigo tokorosia na koni chibetri uratumia chinga kichonsi chibetri uratumia asegari enke ebasi no nyaneli kurukuru.
Kupitia pale kwa gari yako tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka na battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof, kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss, kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu wa kujamstatiwa, wachana na battery kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Battery ni Autobat.
Eye Nensoko TV, uboroso bw'umugusi.
Karibu rero mwancho muri ya asensemo yende ya gatatu emambia yabone kereke tukunyo kwanera igoro yechigosori emambia igana mono igoro ya Afcon yubono eguche gokorekana asensemo ya Africa ya mucha twera ligubono ebendera yokuwarega ni chigosori chiga enense ya Kenya, Tanzania noera enense ya Uganda noere gaiga na enentune ntangani kegima teatora cha kira asensemo ri tokora tebana umogoko onganina kigose
omogoko ntubwate because but apart from Harambee Stars jenkolo Mainepi timu yane naende Cameroon ngobona kero gocha wikeranga aba gani gocha bale toiru that opportunity kolende ndwaro chomori kikete Ivory Coast gakoboli CAF president nani Mosebe that ngowe uraetire ko East Africa ngaroche paranchio nini njio mbanyari tota nche from where I'm seated ndatentai omulikio linga mpaka tonyari ndondire to bwanera to ligera ligaiga namba yamo social amenities torachakiranga ndobwate chi hotel abanda abachire ngai bakorara ngai bakoragera number 2 ende toligereri karabagani bachire infrastructure nero siri Afcon nigo chikokorekana umuchio Nairobi kero chikokorekana umuchio Nairobi gochimotwanto chikoligereri lakini nje buno Kenya ni nyegenete ntobwate some of the best roads chietaneti no njiri chire ni Ivory Coast tinda amanyaro kwa majirani tora lero tikatora kwanira tora ready East Africa in general lakini tokole kwirende torore in Kenya bona ekero umulikiria tabanga ntobwati infrastructure like nga koru Kenya gochi Tanzania. It will take still at 2 days.
2 to 3 days.
2 to 3.
Singencho chibara.
Singencho ye chibara. Toligere ligente kiga naende tweremi bunantu aba East Africa bono. Ense ya Russia. Eka host World Cup. Karoko ligere Russia in square kilometer. 17 million square kilometer. Karoko ligere East Africa etole combined East Africa etole 6 million square kilometer. What does this mean? Meaning in Russia korwa getingere kaito bakoro ke Katrina maleta na makongo kidogo. Oende korwa getie kyo oende mpaka Moscow chiko nyole getige koroku St Petersburg. Endege ogoteki amana basi.
Chinsa isatu.
Igo ndora beka chinsa chiri kwari go prepare korwe room. Oende chiko so endege echake koge ndo beke preparation yeli paka yogo ikochi go chaka nini oso room ende hoteli oso ke dressing
echine chinsa chiko nyakwera
chinsa chiko nyakwera konyora ne chinsa irenga ne chinsa isana but they managed to deliver players se bari goika eta the training field go sasa ba uchwa ku mupira barosete oisoboja World Cup ngochera ka ba hosted in each country renga isato USA enga ni Africa Mexico na Canada. Okay, chinse chiri infrastructure ne kwende ne roro. But tochi chenka gaiga. Korine ndege koru JKA gochi nini Dar es Salaam. Players baso akabaso hotel baso Benjamin Mkapa stadium. How long will it take them? Yani montori aro chenga nechi para totegemete koru Nairobi mpaka Dar es Salaam. Timu yechi wakole kwende. Echi wako nini omupira.
Korenga nere rembarata etachi para cheito one chimbe chioko iraba gosori.
Okay.
Kara chibara yetu ne chinga chire Kenya ditwe.
Kenya.
Koruga makata nega. Omba chinza chiri kwa
Kenya. Karo to kwanira Kenya. To kwanira Kenya bono tora tiga majirani ngegera. Kwere
to kwanira chipara chia Kenya. Korwa go chinaibasha.
Now let us give practical example. Chitimu niranga chigo cha Kenya because kere chip karoko tora chipuru chiri. Chitimu chire 32.
Chire chitimu chigo cha chire mirongo ebere na 24 teams.
24 teams. Karo chire 24 teams ngotata 8. Tibatika tubawo cha kubaka puru. Tota ba bono chi country chi achire 8 Kenya. This is the first pool. Kyo toto bene rata toligereri na mbeyamo. Timu ye ngaye korara. Proximity to the training
obware
korwase bakorara uchiase no the training kwanza we go by training
asaba konyora maigiri
training ground from Joseph ingange training ground yaba basori bara tatebe timu ngo chego chiasera ibiti biwe chiko tumeka mesi ya Kenya ntume tuko sekingo chekiere kiere by then
to mbinkere ma kono langa katole tora tiga siasa to mbinkere Talanta
ngeti ya Talanta stadium
Nyayo National Stadium
na Kasarani ntobate geti bigo chiko tumeke biti bitano tobate geti kia Kipchoge Keino Stadium ya Eldoret amo na Bukungu Stadium Kakamega bitu bitano bigo chiko tumeke chiko sori bono abagosori Kakamega bari number 1 Kakamega yote nere ororo go chigosti abagosori
bono gabla kina the social amenities chiko wa put
number 2 a training ground apart from Bukungu kera ambako tuine liona bawo chuchesere nkojo nero ensemo ya Bukungu chikobaine ba train
bono mai kwa na bwangu
akatoka kwanira tetra chakira sensemo yo mwaga ku stadium asere ensemo ga onyore Masinde Muliro University no aire Masinde Muliro University of Science and Technology nero imenibwa tegetikia onyore nebwa timu area ya rugby iko University teko
sugar alafu no
na
Kakamega Boys
la game league university yo kateko kwa team chiri asite ikire ala te tware geti game rate nabo labda
na chezoro
unaona gocha ogenda bwango
unekere barabara ya University ya Nairobi ikyo tari qualified na bakasari o train yoro tego chesera go train yoro
kwagenda bwango
ndara ko rebiti ase buhungu nko moira ni elinda ira na agendera gukwanira angena buhungu stadium tubato hotel aliye kurukwa golf hotel enene sana nero ekero okomochiko nyebwe kore ngani na bakomochiko kore ngani chi hotel chirchira ase mucho yo
meta abasore mbere gose
hotel semo yabo
abasore ke club ekomanya ne hotel yaba ne yabo because of security purposes
atijakata
ari gose
bono
egero angenye
ni sawa
tichiti mu ibere
ni sawa
mete dani gagenda bwango tugatware kegenteke ngora tukebeka mesa tororenga ngai twikire buna Kenya twateba chitimu chira Kenya nani nabo tokane mbosaigo totebe Cameroon totebe nini Senegal totebe Morocco totebe Ghana, we are just naming totebe Kenya noere echinire 1 2 3 4 5 ngachi timu bere ngachi timu sato
totebe Algeria
na
totebe South Africa
echine timu chiacha Kenya kero timu chiacha Kenya tochakire Cameroon totirne team by team mwete dani yako endo bwango nata wegente ko turatika siasa na turarigererie ense to ntore nini worth it Cameroon yachire Kenya Cameroon etoko bararole Sereni Hotel for instance nero qualified was still qualified
okay chio te cha Kenya chire qualified chio
tenda ngora ekarabale ole Sereni Hotel pature ineri no Kenya Police Football Club South Sea
South Sea
police to get stadium mali
aga tinkarari
tatikao karukaga tidani kokole maana tikao karukaga ti really need
okay police hapo training
ore tororo lakini egeti kali training ground tego training yoro
okay hata ulinzi complex inkero
kwararire bono torakorana twakoranira na Cameroon twaende Senegal Senegal bachiche pado Mombasa road tole to choose banali gose Ecotel eyun Senegal toma ko wororo to bae Ulinzi complex for training chitimure ngachi atikaire atikaire sita ndatande team by team ndatande team by team
sawa kachi
to chiche Morocco
by Eldoret Kipchoge Keino
ekaraba koegwa nini Eldoret ne bwate social amenities
chioteri chaba annex
yabo ekanaende nere nini kwerende Eldoret bakoegwa nini Eldoret training ground kara
kitaka kwa toromo tu kagere getia kelele kia Eldoret kama mastasi
toende Ghana echichegwe Safari Park Hotel
okay
we training ground Kenya School of Monetary Studies
okay
Mathare North twatigaire chitimu sato twatigaire chitimu renga
chitimu kwa leo sasa Mathare North
baba ile tokana no Kenya School of Monetary Studies is an international nini okobere Mathare North doesn't mean ngani chisram na ndege kana kia serikali wenere teche manya onya players bago onya Morocco bago trainer Ulinzi complex bago chuwake ball Kasarani in fact bagonjo kakwenda mayaga kwerende Wilson mayagari baso express pale yito egera twafoidi konya koro kya bageni chisiram gosonya ne Wilson goika chego kole kwende bache masoka bache nyayo nation stadium wa tere
ba kibera kwa
pale kiriad nende tangani abo no esa ko tokoni pale kiriad
rotana seria
anga kya kenene
ko redo
timuna ire dore
Nairobi gaiga bagoto Nairobi bakore ego so ine dore tekari mambi na mind yunga bali go chikotumeka ndege korwa Nairobi go Eldoret ne ga chikotumeka chiga bago chikotumeka chibasi kwanza chiko mboteri toma chibasi
there is no problem korwa ga kigo Eldoret
wana bago kile mambi
is forward okay in fact in tiango my serikali umeto wana gaya choto konye
chiga choke basi
turera peyo tikatiko kwa na go igae pale era
beteseka kieti kwa
pale era beteseka
wamekoma nene kwa
aba ngene babu hata kisimi kwa jera twende
omwaga libo lile gandi
igwe basi itengo bateki
akarongo
bwata game Eldoret
sin flowers
enga kile yechikura kwanza na bagwani nyona wamekoma ne convocate mate bai bai ya bara siasa rwete korwa mbaka gosenga
patika omwaga siko kwanire igore yebitie biga Arsenal akorokolire club kia Arsenal training yaba akwarase an open playing ground
babwate ibyabo gose komina bibere maniyo kwate kitu ni chiabo ko
mocha bechora no na kubekani ebibire imense ya Kenya ebire open na bire
ebire open a training ground bire open sawa bire open buyabire they are not certified for with
correct
ebito bire certified
one distraction
ebito bire those players are protected ankle injuries are there ebiti bire certified babingo kwana ebyo training ground buna bire named
bana bakenya ko no
stadium abakenya babo chicho
abakenya nande balite yaro mate karomogo training mubwate chisiri cheno buna mogo train iga no bono no konyara no ne team e konya komeni wabomera bache tena bukuru gana ngwaro che taweli entongero kwa bolio gete atachi ko kole ngwaro che taweli
okay ba yo mo Nigeria nende gora bari ko ibe
gore bari ko
ya bari ko ibe ya Senegal
ya Senegal to bino mo koraga bona kinaba yare bintena Kenya School of Monetary Studies mali field ya rone kwerendero nchi SU ndete mali ondete hiyo that place is enclosed eline training ni ground
aso bwango manase okubana cha asengencho yebire betu bikale kwa eraga umwaga tokwaniranga mangana yoborendi ntwaro che amangana tutata Clement City ya Kenya yoka ngwaro tibune game ya Shabana na Gor Mahia security yoborendi bweka ligo egame asichi club chinsetu ya Kenya yoka ngweka chirenga kiene bakanyone noborendi bwasinya asengencho yechiguni nebintu ebinde eyebono tugokwanira AFCON tugokwanira konye ntoranyara gwikirania ebirengo biria nyonyona asichi club chinsetu ya Kenya gatukwa na mangana yoborendi naki egoche konyargara sensemo ya AFCON 2027 edakika ya mwenda nenusu
ndoche choyago smile sana oborendi tore timu ya twavande rinesa kwa 2%. Number 1 koruo murai wete bwe nkoyemense ya Kenya so etekerogo ujure Hussein Mohamed no mokonyo ya McDonald Mariga imba nyorete security system kebekire ime wasomo teneli boborendi wa security system baka wikira bona iga imba nagochora nende imba nakobeka ndekwaza wandete baka ndete nebi nakuru ne basiyo babo megari batete kubutana chigasi igo bono borendi kore boka bobo besana chiga sori nese kokubeka chiga sara cha to itabwa borendi ago sori yege kombe keria agia FKF Cup ya Kenya gatia club keria akia Ulinzi kia Gor Mahia na FC Leopards Karachi Segi Gor Mahia na Murang'a Siri Karachi Segi Gor Mahia gakwe fine ya 1.9 million Gor Mahia na Shabana FC Karachi Segi okara Gor Mahia na Nairobi United Segi Dandora Stadium nkige kogera to Karachi Segi ekosori ye fine ya Morocco na Senegal to Tiagas number 1 aba nyimbo baito ngakitiaga chirinde ndagira banchi tuguta kora kwaro cha amashabiki ya Senegal atata akobune binto atata kutambuka atubugeti akinyo kara basgali bari begete chi block bako bangasa chi bako bayina ngo chiro akobwata abantu bakubene ngo chigoro ariko tumeka kende yonsi gerikira leta none emechando monta batume bawumigo se bakwe nabakubwatoka bitaba bureti ovyo bakubwatoka chitiaga sovyo nkorenganga mbachi bayirwe kirasi mbachi barigererie emefano yemne kitise kibikiko kore oborendi bwabo unatogoche Morocco gana beteko bako dominate amashabiki yali ya Senegal yali konyora ge chibu sana igore biye korokeje nkorenganga ntwe chiko chitiaga chikuruto anytime anyhow kumene uchi utagaria nyorango affect yora abakasali bande baregeti bakasali bayiruchi se una cha Morocco bayiruchi se una cha barigere bataka kora tiagas baite ona uchi ko basafokete
mate system boete dan kana tabanga security ere 2% yunga
security kende drama to security chingo
yeme mwana na matekero twachaka ukwane gente ka topic bune na intu tikatwara erora buna bakenya security
yo senero Kenya
to muna to kwana boniga kwana boniga security itera around 8%. I have to explain chani nja akwa nkwara chitiaga chikuruto
chani kero ya akwa chani nja
that is an example to post ye kwerendega lakini tarochi try to be positive ga kogera chani nja akwa ga ntorochi na ndo ntomanyete no na basigari baito bamete Kenya utara mukunie tiagas yitali kwero
advocate tiagas turit
kamara bakunie tiagas lakini nili ngantu hata masikani Kenya na hata masikani atarache kibo
ngitoka bera bang okay so today for example
optimistic nkieko roro chenga sichui egento gete ngechege kole kane nini bache ba kole
for example anything occurs in football for example if
security personnel they are in place
with tiagas
no even punduki nkocho kolata robo no base
bravo aterega sengeje
number 1 everything nchechi ngapendo kana kwanda jose ntobwata chire farichi saine tokara chire farichi arefu chire farichi akaya chi arenge Afcon bago sento ale mbwate Peter Yembe entu abwate Cheriot amono na Steven Yembe Cheriot
bono gabu bakango kani au bakango kani nkenye ko chirefu go senkafu ya koreta chirefu
sana koreta but as a country as host awi that sare that turesa kurusia refa ya final finali because to karene the final kwanza chile falichia chia chige mosebire choka ege muyanga na South Africa Zimbabwe na Angola na choka chia refa ti ege wechige mchinka to kare finali etu abande bakaseri bukere finali abande bakaroko semi final bakacha Kenya bakatigaro ya mone ndo renge VR tataringa na photo official arenge VR not one VR two Steven Yembe
okay
I don't know if by that tournament ene say Kenya nyara release good conditions in terms of players, in terms of referees, so that na intuba sekete tukinyaranga kingo kwa final
asoko korera emambia ya bono kota gweda ikanaye muyoka kisekuno ko bare 33 na 20 kijumla engane nene regaiga ebiti kyora chokwana
ebiti
ebiense ya Kenya no kwanire ebya
Beyonce
ya Beyonce ko kwanira eso asese munye biti chisekune 33 asoko korera mambia
ebiti ndo bwata naende bire proximity to our highways enjereli na batebya igao maita bono no totagete no brand Kenya echechime lituko na gota imoko team era ariko sino lesereni tigano en Kenya KWS baende mali baseli chincho gugocha chirise lyanga egere no na banda bakara ba kachibicha ba kuminga ke ne national park
ngo banya kogo
banya kogo okay na bata byanya ba ko rulinzi complex go train bago cha nyayo pale liere clear mondo tali go twara time yogo chwaka kipira kwerende kali menyo gateiga oikirwe ase bitito bwate bitatoga Nairobi nyayo Kasarani
and they finish
Talanta ngwa gachikere ebitie bitato by the time ego cha wikera bono Afcon ni mambio wako egendo karo kindagani korwa se serikali korwa se brand Kenya bateme ko kebe kama meka isa ni nkwaroche gitike likia Morocco ebiche ko korusi ko paka wako minga ke chitaya no chioge te
igono metenge bekiri mame
asoko korera
number 2 umra ibwense na tetenge biti bya bukungu negeti kya stere mgo kune kubire tubwate mitinye meke sana bucha 2027 timeti go sebya ngere kune ko kera nkora etane tinara kende Johnson ne ngechi kunyara ko kune kwa Nyayo stadium ngechi nyara ko kune kwa before that time
okay
my stadium nyara ko kune
bata ebeni ko renga ne mutika
koremo ne akwa ne
segicho we are in different levels
okay
tororo mwana bye jirani gakolie chabatine na ngoko ochake guita na mino no bokima
nindu twasabete ngoki gitwanyarete
tomwera fasi yako
there is a way standard nere totaite ni gwateni taringa mboni gatogochiko kole kwerende kanga bone kwaboriga mikakati ki tobwate torachi kwagacha ebiti mbire ngatoka ne tito host World Cup
okay
7 or 8
tocha
sala ya Kasarani
soko korera
ebiti bya Kenya ele bigo chikoera buya wanya ya kigo chikokune kwa buya then we are ready to go asako chesere mupira oro ntobwate ebiti bitate bya kibichoge keino na kwende gari sibako force kweri mupira banyarete bwanira na yonsi ga Nairobi batira
bwo kweranira so gwanchirana ebiti mbiro
sintam chire ne training ground chire bire chioka
training ground chiro mate ndora kwanera private training ground
training ground chiro chinyinge Ulinzi Stars Complex imepewa accreditation na FIFA ya train that's okay Benjamin Mkapa Stadium ya Tanzania it's okay with a 6000 seater ki train ya chawa ntimeti Mama Amina Mohamed Stadium rakioke bakatenge 30000 seater na kirakio mkeli bobe wate na Kivumbo Stadium in Kampala the famous one area went after the war
okay
ya kere
Nelson
Mandela na kirakio nkero amona Hoina City okay na kirakio ime ya Uganda ne biti birebya tuturengera na chintameti niki jamu akita abantu bawo chikuru hotel bamnyoka kanyayo basinya bamwara abantu bakurwe gasi abaniki campaign bari babasari bakwamete ne lipasi yabe jamu gati batarasanya stadium aho bintu konde
karabo aterera asengencho yebiro enkwane yega nentambiri mete na ntoko yekora rero ntoko yekora ko saa 12 ya mugoroba ngakiene na nento twane ngakiene na nento tware ribaga mwancho morigereria yamono asoko gwati umurobiri yega kuruga chagete umuchakaro gwikira bono iga dimetra mange nyonene ngana yawe yo mwere kwa kaniti gukorera
engana yo malio
tisekune ngo kwarira iko micho
ndobwate team
this is the 36th after
ndobwate team ikoro kwa Harambee Stars gakinye beka masabo
okay
uko beka masabo akiaba gakatiga batiboke into gwata bagosorie giata ba tu
abana bari batara ewe kale
amos wanjana bone gato ko
abana bari batara ewe
uchile liguani ya France into gwate Aidan Kibet yo yore Italy into gwate Tyson Kario kiro de KF
njata ko barata de penji
to ana koraba ntobuna abu bachite to
njata ko barata de penji ai ko na ko che achite kai we rai nap gatebunga abana oba bwana reta ko kole kwere yani family go sana bari bai bete chibasa chaba Kenya chiba isane tamono batata ko ngana abu
na rikore tu adama
bete ngana abu
watera gwa sabono byemora mwancho murire gwa Soko TV ase ugo sangama na intwe mambia yabona cyarege kisa sana na mochi yabona mubaso na ngakira na ndo twara nibaga yugo kwanira ayande amange ge konyarikana wiki egocha nare tutarakwanira emambia yabona ngenda kubatimiro birende atigera seri tukorigima ase emambiga na boigo wika ase erian Criterian Ishmael Mogia